everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today's video is going to be a Homesense haul. So you might have seen a few videos ago I went to Homesense and I showed you what was new in store, and today I wanted to show you what I bought. It's a very colourful haul actually, very colourful for me. So if you want to see what I bought from Homesense, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so the first items I'm going to show you are these outdoor kind of seat cushions, or indoor actually. You can have them either indoor or outdoor. So this is what they look like. They're kind of a gorgeous, really rich yellow velvet, like a golden yellow velvet, and then they've got tiny little teal pom-poms, which I thought was so cute. Really lovely and vibrant for the garden. And we have actually got some kind of wooden pallets, which actually are grass came on, and also the gravel for the garden. So I told Mark to keep them. I thought it would be really cool to kind of create a little table outside for the kids on the floor, on the grass even. And I thought these little cushions would be lovely to pop on the floor so they can sit on these. So that's what my thought was behind these. They were £12.99 and you get 2 in a pack. So I got 4 of these. They had so many different colours and designs, but I liked these ones. I like that they're quite plain, but they have that pop of colour as well. So I got those, which are really fun. I then got this rug, which I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it yet, but again I thought it'd be really fun because they've got a teepee outside in the garden, or one that we can kind of put in the garden, and I thought to put something on the floor in the teepee. I went for this kind of more rustic jute kind of rug. They had loads of different jute rugs in there. This is just a rectangular one. If I get up a second so you can see. So this is the kind of sizing of it. It's got that kind of tasseled edge and a little bit of a design on it as well. I think it was around £12.99 or £16.99, something like that. And then I got this. Again, this one I think was, I want to say £15.99 or £17.99, and it is this little sun storage box. I just thought this was so cute, either for Orlando's bedroom or in the playroom. I thought it would be really nice. Sorry, I got a squeaky chair. So yeah, I thought that was super cute. You could use this for toy storage, but because of the way it is, I thought it would be really good for books. So like, I can just line up all of the books in here, and that is a really good amount of storage in there. So that is what I got. How cute is that? Just how cute is that? Perfect for a playroom, perfect for a nursery or child's bedroom, and again, great storage there. Another little basket I got was this one. I love the multicolored rainbow pom-pom detailing all the way around it. This one was £17.99. It's still a really good size. I thought I could use this for throws, like in the playroom, or toys. Again, just great to have lots of baskets, isn't it, for storage? So that was the basket I got. Another one. I'm addicted to baskets. I then bought this throw, which I thought was really fun. You guys know I absolutely love tie-dye, so I was of course really drawn to this when I saw it in store. It's super soft. It was £16.99 I believe. Where's the tag? Yeah, £16.99 that one was. And again, just super fun. I just loved it. I thought it was really lovely. I don't really have any blankets like this, and I thought this would be, again, really nice and fun to have out in the garden. Nice and colourful. Yeah, it's still got that kind of neutral in there as well. So I really loved that one. Oh, I've got a heavy pot here, which I'll show you in a sec. Put this on the table quickly. Okay, so if you watched the vlog, then you will know Mark and I picked each other a mug. So they've obviously come home with us. So this is the one Mark picked me. And when I asked you on the video, I was like, who won? Did I win or did Mark win? Mark definitely won, hands down he won. I definitely went for the more boring and practical mug, and he went for the more pretty and stylish mug. How pretty is that though? It's so beautiful. I love the colour of it. It was only £2.99, it's hand painted, and yeah, I love it. I just wish it was like double the size, because I'm a coffee drinker and I like a big mug of coffee. I'll show you the one that I got Mark. Oh no! Oh my god, guys. The one I got Mark is actually broken. Is that karma for me picking the boring mug? You won't even be able to see it, it's literally completely broken. Oh no! That is someone saying to me, Lisa, you picked the most boring mug, it's not even worth taking home. There we go. Well, it said, it just had like a load of these on it for like sleeping. And yeah, anyway, that's that mug. Gonna go in the bin in a minute. Brilliant. I can't believe that. I did pick this other mug up though, because I do love it. I got this in TK Maxx actually the other day, and then they had this one in Homesense, so obviously they're the same kind of supplier. I got it in the blue, and then they also had it in the pink. And honestly, ever since I got the one with the blue detailing on it, I've used it every day. I absolutely love it. It's a perfect size for me. This one was £3.99. Can you see the detailing on it? I just love it so much. It's so good. My favourite mug ever. So now I've got 2 of them, because sometimes I've got one in the dishwasher. Now I've got a backup, which is amazing, because I absolutely love that mug. But look at the size difference there, look. To be fair, it doesn't look much of a size difference. Maybe like that you can tell. This one is obviously much bigger. This one is thicker, but then less inside. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I can't believe that other mug broke. What a joke. Mark's gonna be laughing later. Right, hold on, let me go to the doorbell. Quick! That was my John Lewis order. I ordered some curtain lining, for blackout curtain liners for our curtains in our bedroom. I ordered some the other day, but they were a little bit too small, so I needed to get another one to kind of make sure it covered all of the curtains. So they've just arrived now. Can't wait to put them on our curtains, because actually it's made such a massive difference. We've got white curtains in our bedroom, and the sizing of them and the length, they are really expensive to get like blackout curtains. So I couldn't find any curtains when I was trying to buy some back when we moved in, so I just ordered any old ones off of Dunelm. I just thought white ones, they'll be fine, but they weren't blackout, and they didn't have any blackout in that size on the Dunelm website. It's been fine up until now, but obviously it's summer, so it's super bright in our bedroom in the evening, so I thought I'll get those liners, and they've made such a difference. It makes it so much better. Same with Orlando's room, because I didn't realise his weren't blackout either. They are in Vinny's and Renzo's, I think, but yeah, those 2 rooms are super bright. So yeah, curtain liners, I need to do that later. Anyway, let's move on. I also got this pot. I am drawn to garden pots, and this one was speaking to me when I was in there. This is like a really gorgeous kind of terrazzo or terrazzo kind of effect. Very pretty. It's like a big clay kind of pot. It's got the little drain hole at the bottom there, so perfect for plants. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here. Let me know what you think. I think a really pretty hydrangea would be nice in here, wouldn't it? Or an azalea. But they don't flower very long, do they, azaleas? What are good long-lasting flowers? I think geraniums are meant to be really good, aren't they? Mark also got a tape measure in here, look. How much is this pot? I think this pot was... Has it got a price on it? I don't even know where the price is. Oh, I've even got the receipt in here, look. So the pot was... I think the pot was £12.99. So yeah, that was everything that I bought. Oh no, I've got a couple of other bits, hold on. I got as well these frames from Homesense. I did show you them when I was in store, and I thought I'd pick them up. So I got this one. This was £12.99, and it's just that kind of like brassy gold detailing, and then it's got lots of room for loads of different photos in there. So I don't know where I'm going to get those printed, because these are like 2 by 2 inches or 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, or 4 by 6 like in the center. So anyway, yeah, got that one. I'm just trying to collect lots of different frames at the moment, because I don't really have... I have pictures around the house, but I want more. So I also got this one, which I thought would be quite pretty in our bedroom. That one was only £5.99. A brass plated frame there. So that was... I think that was everything that I got from Homesense. But then I did order some bits from Ikea, because at the moment we've just had our wardrobes done from Ikea, which I'm going to share a video with you very, very soon. If you haven't been on my Instagram, I've already put like a reel up, so you can go and have a look over there if you want to see it. But when we did the order for the Pax wardrobe, there was a few items that were missing from the order. So I had to wait for them to come back into stock. So when they came back into stock, I made another order, and then I ordered a few other bits. I ordered like a big storage thing for Vinny's bedroom, which I'll show you at a later date, which I'm going to put all of his Legos in. And then I also ordered some frames as well. Let me get them, hold on. Oh gosh, I won't get them all out, but I got 6 of these big frames. Again, they've got that kind of like brass detailing, and they are called the Lomviken 40 by 50. You know when they say 40 by 50, is it the frame that's 40 by 50, or is it the picture inside? Because I don't really know. How am I meant to work out? Oh, hold on. No, 30 by 40 is the picture inside, and then the actual frame itself is 40 by 50. So there you go. That is that. They're really cheap and cheerful. I can't remember how much they were, but they were definitely under £10. Probably £6. I don't know. But I bought these to go upstairs on the landing. So the wall upstairs, as you go upstairs, there's a big blank wall, not up the stairs on your right, on the left, there's a big blank wall there, and I thought it would be really nice to do a kind of gallery wall there with these brass frames. I thought that would be really, really pretty. So yeah, those are the Ikea frames that I got. But yeah, that's about everything really. I don't think I've got anything else, did I? I need to go wash this now so I can have a cup of tea or coffee in this mug. It's so, so nice. The only thing is, like with these, I just hate the labels. They never come off, do they? I have got some like sticky label remover. I really don't like the smell of it, so I'm gonna have to just do it on my own. But yeah, that was everything that I got from Homesense. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, there will be a video coming soon about our wardrobes, but oh my god, they're so, so good. We actually had some people come over to put the wardrobes together. They did it in our last home, and it was just so much easier, you know. We're like, basically we ordered the wardrobe from Ikea for our last house, and when we were there they were like, oh, do you want someone to come and assemble it for you? So we were like, yeah, it would be so much easier. So you just pay it like a fee and then they come out and do it for you. So we obviously got talking to these people, and they said, oh, you know, if you ever need them doing again, or wardrobes or anything like that, then just give us a call. So that's what we did with this one, and it's just so much easier. They were done in 4 hours. The whole wardrobe's up, put together, safe, looking great. Looks so, so good. I can't wait to show you it properly. But yeah, I've actually been filling it this morning. I made a start on it, shall we say. But obviously Orlando's here. He's actually sleeping at the moment, so he's napping. So I thought I'd quickly film this video for you, so I've got it ready for you on Thursday, which is today, the day you're watching it. And yeah, that is everything. I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Let me know what other videos you would like to see in the comments down below. I know there's been a few requests for cleaning videos to come back, so I'll try and do a cleaning video very soon for you. It's very hot at the moment in the UK, so I'm going to wait for a cooler day and then I'll do some cleaning videos for you. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to stop talking now. I'll see you all very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.